The D.O.G.E Memecoin has taken the crypto world by storm, skyrocketing 100% in just 24 hours. Inspired by Elon Musk's quirky idea for a Department of Government Efficiency, this parody token is all about making government spending smarter. After Musk brought it up at a town hall, linking it to President-elect Donald Trump's victory, the buzz exploded. Since its launch, D.O.G.E has surged over 600% since October, and some analysts are predicting even bigger gains as the concept gains traction. With a staggering 155,000% increase in value and a market cap of $153 million, traders are jumping on the bandwagon, hoping for more price jumps. The media frenzy surrounding Musk and his ties to Trump is only fueling the fire. Will D.O.G.E keep climbing? The excitement is palpable as this meme coin becomes the talk of the town.